What's the meaning of all this? What's the meaning of all this? I don't like this. No. I'm too.
Harmony Club. Mr. Chairman, no, there's nothing there happen. Person will call for emergency meeting. Will call for opportunity. You never reach here. Ain't you say we dey jobless?
Harmony Club. Mr. Chairman, what is happening? Take a good look at me. I'm dressed. I want to travel, so I go and carry my goods. I saw your message, emergency. That's why I'm here. Now I'm here now. Sit down. I don't understand. My time is wasting here.
Solo call me just now. He saying they come, don't they close. I bet just give us more time.
Chairman, how long be say don't they close now? People they shop they wait for me. And I'm gonna be same now money. Maybe come on and go do business.
He don't come.
Harmony Club. Well, well done. My chairman, sir. Well done, sir.
Solo, we're not there happy saying you late call. And on the other hand, you call for this impromptu meeting. Yeah. So tell us why you call for this meeting. Make everybody go where they go.
Harmony Club. First, I want to apologize for the lateness. More than over. Something happened when I come. Also, I can officially invite the Harmony Club for my baby naming / dedication. One of my woman, she born day before yesterday. I know the way they done for this place, our constitution, where would they operate? He said, if anybody born, we will control money, give him. So I come on and do the next group. Harmony Club.
My friend, will you stop that? Who is this man? Harmony Club. So, Lord, this is the 5th time we are contributing money for you for baby ceremony. You get it? Only this month, 5 times in a month. Mr. Chairman, please, if you guys are contributing money for this efulefu, 1 naira ma ya pata di shishi, I'm not contributing anything.
I just tired for my agenda. They know they select any brokers with the yosi or you the open leg, they born rubbish up and down.
Now that selection they make you never feel see husband Tina. Now what you make you not feel entire marriage? 42 years. It is a small begin. Now men no possible the near so.
Harmony Club. It be like say some people join this meeting for business. Yes. They want to use this meeting till they cash out. As no person day 1 month, you go born 6 children for 1 month. Anyhow, you be born up where?
Okay, let me set the record straight. Now God they give picking. It is not my fault. You hear me so? And I'm not taking advantage of this organization. Is it my fault that your 10 years of marriage, you not picking born?
Me? Now me they talk to. So solidarity like that. Now you be bad. I'll come out for this group because of you.
No, you carry the monopoly of madness.
Come out. I'll beat you now.
If you come out, see, after the rock control give me I go come out too.
You don't go try that rubbish. You don't go try am. You don't know where they go. So now, if you reach people town, you know they can contribute 1 naira. All the money they contribute for you, you go pay all of the fee for this week. Not the day I get market, you go tell the boss. Who be fool? What rubbish?
Harmony Club.
Unity.
Harmony Club.
Unity.
Harmony Club.
Unity.
I get emergency call. Hello, doctor. Yeah. My woman don't born. She born boy. Jesus. Siwo. Oh, Salobua.
If that powder touch me.